Hi, this is Cody from Glass Receiving. I have a quick CI. Basically, we have these ropes we tie glass with when we deliver them for safety. We have three sizes: small, medium, and large. As you can see, sometimes it's hard to find which rope you're looking for, so I came up with a solution that makes it easier to find. So now our ropes are hung up on this bar, so it clears up the entire bin. It's easy to find and locate which strap you need. I was driving through the plant one day and found these pieces of wood in the garbage bin, so I picked them up and I put them into use. Quick 2-minute project, saves a lot of time in the end.